Mr. Kennedy, I am finished with my assignment. Did you show your work, Willie? It was too easy to solve these without showing my work. I need you to practice the method so you have a strong foundation when I give you more difficult problems. But I know how to do them. I use my own method. Then write down your method. But, Mr. Kennedy, it is too easy. What are you going to do when I give you hard ones like this? Oh snap. How do I do that? Easy. We will make sure that we combine like terms first. Then we will solve the equation by doing things backwards and using inverse operations. Do I have to show my work? Of course you have to show your work.
We have 120 plus 8 times the quantity q minus 11 equals 192. Now we have two operations here. We have an adding and a multiplying. We're doing everything backwards, so we're going to take away 120 from both sides. The 120 minus 120 cancels out, leaving 8 times the quantity q minus 11. And on the right side, we have 192 minus 120, that's 72. Now we have 8 times the parentheses. To cancel that out, we're going to need to divide by 8 from both sides. Eight divided by 8 is 1, so that's going to leave the quantity on the left, q minus 11. And on the right-hand side of the equation, 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now we have a one-step equation. We do the opposite and add 11 to both sides. Q equals 20. Now we can easily check our work. We take that Q is 20 and we change the Q in the original equation to 20 and see if it makes the equation true. 20 minus 11 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72, plus the 120 is 192. So we know that the answer is correct.
Oh, I got this. Do I have to show my work now? Of course you have to show your work. You will also check your answers with substitution.
Okay, we got another one. 2 times the quantity, 12 plus 5b is 94. Now we can do the opposite of that multiplication and divide both sides by 2. But let's try a different way this time. Use the distributive property to rewrite the equation. So let's distribute 2 times 12 and 2 times 5b. 2 times 12 is 24, plus 2 times 5b is 10b, equals 94. Now we have a two-step equation. We take away 24 from both sides. That leaves 10b equals 70. We have a one-step equation and it's multiplication, so we divide both sides by 10, and we see that b ends up having to be 7. And it's pretty easy to check our work. We put 7 back into the problem for b, and 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 12 is 47, and 47 times 2 is 94.
There is also the situation where you can have variables on both sides of the equations. Will I have to show my work? Of course you have to show your work.
Alright, we have 20y minus 70 equals 12y plus 2. And we want to get our like terms onto the same side. So the 20y and the 12y have to go together on the same side. They're both positive. So I'm going to take away the smaller one from both sides. I'm going to take away 12y from both sides. 20y minus 12y is 8y's. The minus 70 is still there. Equal sign comes straight down. 12y minus 12y cancels out, and the right side is only 2. Now it's a regular two-step equation, and we need to add 70 to both sides, leaving 8y on the left side equaling 72. We have a one-step equation. 8 times y is 72. So we're going to divide both sides by 8, and y will have to be 9.
I think I have the idea. Good. Make sure you communicate your thinking by showing your work. Also, check your answers.